It's everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones here, and we're going to talk about WOD Restore. What makes this formulation so effective is it has 100% organic ashwagandha. And ashwagandha has been around for 3,000 years, and it's known for its effectiveness on mental and physical stress. It will help you to manage stress, anxiety, and most importantly, it really helps to build the immune system. Our immunity has been compromised is because we're under so much mental, physical, and emotional stress. It really takes its toll on our immune system, and we get sick a lot quicker. Ashwagandha, you will notice that you don't get sick as much, and you're able to adapt, whatever life throws at you a little bit more effectively. Oh, and it also has black pepper, which helps the body to absorb the root 100%. So you're getting high quality herbs, and you're actually absorbing it all in your body, so it can be that much more effective for you and your